Welcome to Biochiptronics Technologies. Today I will show how to use Tabletop Wireless Fetal Doppler. This is receiver and display unit. This show digital value and graph at same time. This is transmitter unit. Now I will show how to connect transmitter and receiver. This is receiver unit on and off button. Press 2-second receiver unit will turn on. This is transmitter unit on and off button. Press same 2-second transmitter unit will turn on. Now press 2-second upper and down arrow button at same time. Shown wireless symbol in that receiver unit. After show wireless symbol, now press 5-second set button in that transmitter unit. Now will shown 2 MHz in that receiver unit. Now connected receiver and transmitter unit. Now ready to use wireless Fetal Doppler.